Whenever you create a new project from the pending projects dropdown, you're going to be linking that project to an estimate that was approved. So if you look down here on any project that has a linked estimate, you're going to see the estimates block here, which has the original estimate and maybe even throughout the project's one or multiple scope adjustments that are related to that original estimate that tie all of this stuff together. So why is this important? So whenever you click on this, any of your team members who have access to this will be able to see a copy of this estimate exactly as it was presented to the client. So what this does is allow your team to know exactly what the client signed off on. The language, any of the descriptions, any of the scope that was defined here in this original proposal and estimate is here for them to view. And this ensures that deliverables are on target with the project description or scope as the project progresses. It also enables your team members to see if a client request that they may make somewhere along the line during the project is within scope or outside of what was originally quoted. It just keeps everybody on the same page with what the requirements and original scope of the project was to be able to see the original proposal here at any given time throughout the project.